We can divide this much like doing long division with numbers. I'm going to put my dividend under the division bar and my divisor, x plus 7, outside it. So first I want to ask myself, how many times does x plus 7 go into x cubed plus 10x? In particular, I want to look at the biggest terms, the highest degree terms, because those I'm going to cancel out as I work my way from left to right. So I'm going to note that to cancel out an x cubed, I'm going to have to multiply this by x squared. So x squared times x gives me x cubed, and that's going to cancel out like I want. And x squared times 7 is going to give me a 7x squared. So now, just like I would do in long division with numbers, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to subtract this. So the x cubes, like I said, are going to cancel. And 10x squared minus 7x squared leaves me with a 3x squared. And I'm going to bring down my next term, which in this case is going to be a 25x. Now, again, I want to see how many times x plus 7 goes into 3x squared plus 25x. Concentrating on canceling out the biggest term, which is this 3x squared. So now I'm going to multiply by 3x, which means 3x is going to be the next thing in my quotient. And when I do 3x times x plus 7, I get the 3x squared, again, to cancel. Then I'm going to do 25 minus 21x, which is going to give me 4x, and I'm going to bring down my next term. So that's going to give me a 4x plus 28. And I want to know how many times does x plus 7 go into that 4x plus 28. Well, x is going to go into 4x 4 times. So up in my quotient, I'm going to have now plus 4. And when I multiply 4 times x plus 7, that's going to give me, this is going to work out nicely, 4x, and 4 times 7 is 28, so it's going to be 4x plus 20. So now when I subtract, 4x minus 4x is 0, 28 minus 28 is 0, I'm left with a big remainder is 0, and what I have in blue up here is my quotient. So another way to say that is when I divide x cubed plus 10x squared plus 25x plus 28 by x plus 7, the solution, the quotient, is x squared plus 3x plus 4. And I did it through long division, which is completely analogous to the long division that you did with plain numbers when you were in elementary school. Hope that helped. Thank you.